madu neto, you can't reduce. You can make a reduce but I still got it. Madeto ene cool, you gonna magalo you left some certain things. Iji because I no Lord. Say when actually deal with the chagara. When some certain things say you let go. Hem jakogara gi here are you a lazy person ga make in life? And don't you allow report IQ go to people manani here to lecture you. Because if you associate you're the same level of people, you can never make it in life. You can't. Although possible. Because only Ishi ejile dulo only Ishi. Only Ishi ejile dulo only Ishi. Hate me because I'm very outspoken. Hate me because I don't give a fuck. Hate me because I speak it the way it is. That's your own cup of tea. Basaramo. Oh, basaramo. Oh, no, na fake life. I don't do it. And when millions of them that pretend to please everybody, but displease their own selves. What I go? My address. I grew up at Ebu. Mpama precisely. Okay, Joe Mayalo. And amazing. Tell you go. But you cannot trespass. Remain here the same. You can't. That is how life should be. All these people would know ya laziness every day. Facebook because your life is messed up. Nothing will be moving in your life. I want you to be miserable in life. When you frustrated, when your family, when you a problem. Imagine people get 1 million or 1 million of problem in their family who have any advice. So people are solved with their own family issues. That position and advice. Family, even as you are talking, problem no gishika in comment. But you are not able to solve that your messed up life. That is solve only they can. That the children just woman. Eh? He got a single shower and diono. Ah, pona bagdana pona be in the advice na comment section. While who pay the law? Gangura man rob kidnapper one you shot choka. Yeah, Chineke mena mistake. Chineke mena ebere. You want the visa. Balo buto ibo. Ben no dia. Ben this year town. She amanama. He showed up there. Telling him advice. He got who a rapist. This useless boy and very dark useless man. Na boy kanamu. A man who new to ya. A man who messed up. Where I can hoganamu ya hobu where. Gabi potane people with intellectual being. I sit here down now listening to you. Facebook is where a show gonna end on a the advice. Responsible people and the responsible woman will be looking at you. Social media where a bandit onyara mental person that collecting medication on medication happen on social media get you a layer. Ghana something from one that sense yes. I am a social media a very toxic area. Man, look at something is not acting up. Imagine very dark idiots. When Udele was busy threatening somebody, I'll come for another video because I don't want that one to be long. I can make me break pieces. My Jogima is still a deformation of character. Udele she that name when they got what to shoot. So you are among those people. That's why you want the gods come and defend Udele. So if those people other people will join and shoot the police and shoot other people. So you are among, that's why you came out online to defend Udele. So you are among those people they will start the fight and they finish the game. I have warned you, you very dark nobody. You very dirty dark thing. Stay away from Ebuka Obi case. Or Ebuka Obi case will chop your head. I am telling you from the heart. Stay clear. You will never. Let me tell you, you are stepping at the wrong place. Where you will not return. Oh, you are crying Udele. You're talking about Udele children. Who told you that Udele is married? Who told you that the deportee that came? Oh, you don't know it? Don't worry. Hold on. Let me wait. You are very hopeless. Very hopeless man indeed you are. You're a very hopeless idiot indeed you are. When Udele was using knife direct on social media, threatening to cut off my head. When Udele was busy coming on social media, well naked, producing knife. Okay, that's your bola. That's your bola. When Udele brought out knife that he was demonstrating it, he will use that knife to cut your bola. So is a deformation of character? That one is also a deformation of character. You see, some people listen to people, they think they have brain. There is no brain. There is no brain. When this woman trafficker called Udele was busy using knife to threaten people on social media that he will slaughter my head and cut it off. Where were you? What you don't know. Tag that useless Verydarkman here. Tag that idiot. Tag that hopeless thing called very dark useless man. When Udele was busy threatening Ebuka Obi that he will slaughter Kweme. So you don't understand what the language of Kweme means? And it's called what deformation of character. Now I know the level of your reasoning. Now I can know the level of where you are such. You are a very hopeless dirty thing, which I'm ready to match you back to back because you are hopeless. You are a very useless man that has no common sense. Udele was busy coming out on social media with the knife for other call to somebody off the neck. Where were you? Udele also, the same threat he made that deported him from Istanbul. He's still repeating it to today. And you're telling me that is what? That is just a defamation of character. So me that Udele threatened to use knife to slaughter, I don't have children. Talking about their children. If Udele knew that he has children, he should have applied a lot of measure on social media. He was busy causing nuisance, causing problem to his so-called children. His father, his children will be crying. You are very useless. So you want to tell me that those people in jail, millions of people that were innocent that are in jail, they don't have children. You cannot go there and be campaigning for them because you are accomplice with Udele. Don't let us to tag you and tag you with those people that Udele said that they will come and they will start. They will be shooting. Oh, maybe you are among them. Maybe you are one of them. That is why you came out to talk rubbish. Very dark, dirty bola. Very dark bola, public, useless man. Stay clear from Ebuka Obi. Anything that has to do with Ebuka Obi, go walking on completely. If you want to put me very young on social media, continue to emphasize on Ebuka Obi case. If you don't want Udele to be worse, if you don't want Udele to be better than you, stay clear from Ebuka Obi. I am warning you for the last time, oh. The way they make noise on this matter, oh, stay completely clear. Ebuka Obi is not he's not somebody you fuck around with and survive it easily. Stay clear. You don't know. Who even gave you the audacity to start to analyze this video? You're very hoping. He said it's only somebody came out and said, so you did not hear where Udele was busy threatening to murder and permit a lot of people. Very dirty, dark, walla, public, useless, massaging your cassava anyhow. Stay clear from anything that has to do with Ebukobi. Ebukobi is not anything to do. Whether you call it fake pastor, you're talking about Apostle Suleiman. Who told you that Apostle Suleiman is not filing case against Udele? Who told you that Apostle Suleiman is not fighting case against Udele? Do you know how many cases on Udele's head? Because you heard that Ebukobi was the one that made a petition because somebody was busy threatening a man's life that he will permit his younger brother, so his twins, and permit Ebukobi and slaughter everybody, slaughter the police people. Do this. Why can't you do the same threats? Make the same threat, and I will tell you that your Udele case will be better than your case. Come out on social media, carry knife, showcase it to the world how you cut somebody's head, and let me see where you will be. Somebody will do it as a just a civil matter. You're a very dark, confused man. What stop you from the case of what they call it Okurora? You're no longer handling that one. So you just abandoned people that depended on you. People that we are jumping, all these useless Igbo people that we are jumping, hoping that you bring them, you bring what they call it, you bring what they call it, you bring justice for them. So this is how you litter them. So they are still doing this and you have not filed your petition. Where is that case? Have you dumped it? Now it's Ebukobi own. Have you dumped Okurora's case? So you could not fight the battle that you came at, and everybody we are jumping, clapping. Verydarkman is at this case. So you just litter them like this because you're a useless man. The way you abandoned your bola on social media is the way you want to. You are abandoning all every cases you step into, because he did one and that one went through. You fought to bleaching cream that I hate with passion. It went through because that one is destroying our women's life. And you think it's every case you will tap into and you will get the same handshake. You're a very useless man indeed. The only reason from that part of your brain that always advise you to use your molar to get relevancy on social media. Stay clear from Ebukobi's matter. I will not warn you again. Stay clear from it. And a bonny useless son, a bonny hopeless son. I told Ako that if he did not finish his case, that you guys will come back again. And it's happening. I'm somebody now who before you me. I cannot that in nature. So you still had the guts, a bonny hopeless son. He still had the temerity to come out online and make a video to address Ako. Why your name is on the waiting list of next to be picked, you still had the temerity. I told Ako, if you don't finish what you started, that these monsters will never stop. I know them. When they see that everywhere is cool, they will start again. And that is what is happening again. You didn't learn your lesson. You was the first idiot they wanted to pick before I told them to divert it to where Udele is now is where you're supposed to be. Where Udele is, I was the one that navigated your arrest to another person. Where Udele is where you was the first person on the list. I told them to redirect it to Udele. So what happened to Udele? You still have not learned your lesson. But don't worry. It's just a matter of time. To see this brake light will be a very difficult thing for you. I know you don't. Your brain, you know, I don't know when our Igbo people will learn. And the Bolison, you will learn in a hard way. You will learn in a hard way. I've told Princess that you should not in any circumstances post her picture again Abalam ruka. Any day post ruka picture that day ke konge buki. I've told her, stay away from that useless thing. Ojigina adore enemy. And thank God we have resolved that matter. You know this Bristol in there with any Ishi. Oga born changi, eh? So you see how the temerity still come out to talk about. I could say, do not mention his name. Stay clear from me. Wait, let me play the video. Ima, mbe nwan kita na anwu, ona ha anu ishi nshan. Mbe nwan kita na anwu na sorry, ona anu ishi nshan. Ebo ge Ishi again. See you open your son. Eba Udele no ke kareno. Now, Udele kareno really free ya. But I was the one that navigated the thing. But Oge Ruginaka very soon. Go and mark my work down. Because if you did not call Ako or call Ebuka, you know they gave views. Onunte na achone go on social media. Nacho views. Na Ako. And Ebuka is on a problem. And the problem is get issue no one after another. Hey, Chezila, when they finish this idiot Udele case, they should swing in fast. Tagaku here. For those of you that are watching me, Tagaku will hear what I'm saying publicly. Because I've told him this thing inside. Now, Abraham Gagwa. This miscreants, they will all jump out. Our people are animals. You need to follow them like animals. They don't learn without a heart of because they are wolves. When I told you do not release Matthias, when I told you that Matthias, do not allow this idiot to happen, ya drag ya na pamu ya saria ya. I thought you got that video, please. If you have that video where Matthias is talking about Udele case with Teremia, and it's because I don't visit his useless page. With that video, I want to get it. Ima na gu no oku. Na man on social media for a long time. I gone Mendaka ABCD. I know what they are capable of doing. Let me give you a very strong example. Now you are driving on the highway. Now about speed. Va. Down. There were accidents. Madam, but I think everywhere. Again, slow down. You will slow down instantly because that's fear. Bagogini wayo. After that day, get your food here, get your gear. Nefe. How can they buy it? Eat here once. Eat here somebody. Hala on that defense. Now money tozi. Manahafa. That thing before Hananyadika, everywhere they will come out. I told you, Ako. You know, Ishi game me here. Any day, they will come back again. Is it not happening? They will come back to the timelight again. That is how our people are. In a manner, he teach them lesson in a bitter way. I'm just like America. Every sin when the consequences. Is only $1. Gaga gave me punishment of $1. Gave only $2. Gave me punishment $2. And I should know when America you are white, you are black. Oh no. Agbalamugi hako. Buni one after. You cannot sell it. They will come back again like a wolf. Finish it with no looking back. Let them go there. Let me play the video Ebonison made yesterday. Came after that these people are not ready to change. They will always torment you. As far as I'm copying on social media name exists. They will always torment that young man. And when they see that you guys are weak, you're no longer doing what you're supposed to do, they will I'm monetize yala Nigeria. Mbakega who war. Mbakega who take anke. If you don't pick few people that it will cause to settle with, and people that feel that I'm here to settle this matter, they will never rest. Oh, nda. An Igbo man or an Igbo woman that can do anything for money. Nda have views. Because I give views. And your business is out, they will do everything, whatever it takes to destroy you. If you don't stand on your feet to do what you're supposed to do, you will oh God. They have, let me play the video. When I told you that this Ebony son is the most hopeless, poorest man I've ever seen in my life, you don't listen. Only sense. Number one, his own stupidity, the beyond repair. Oh, but the son, I just cry for you. I just cry for you because people I like it number one. That is how it is. If game expire, you move on. Oh, I get cheerful soon. Every time you know here, don't want to use your brain. Abraham, huh? Don't keep quiet. Because soon that won't down about kitchen. I can't like what the secret can get here. There wasn't input away he had me. And then when no content to create. On the can you are in that go Facebook, jobless men. And who can get bill in the morning and go to work. Oh, men they depend on getting on social media to pay them. And I wish Facebook will remove this money. Camera mechanic Mandara. I'm telling you, very man, Yana Koyerina, very hopeless in nature. And when you see them, people that are eating from Facebook, they will never use their common sense to mean anything banahuru. Because they know that without them putting up this stupidity, nobody will pay them shekel. That is why you say, can't Facebook remove this monetization? Can these useless things get banned on? About your brain, you cannot function and create content. You cannot do anything promising to your life. You see how they go to talk about Ako. Akushi, don't make pim with my name. Who are you to advise a poor wretched idiot like you? A useless son. Na koyeri. Problem between Anambra and Ndi Igbo. They allowed you to escape from that stupidity. And you think you can double it in any case. Lie. Come and make share it and I need you now. We need to put an end to this rubbish. As soon as this idiot, they will come back. Is it not happening? Is it not happening? They have a group, Hana make a meeting now, Pota. Come go to this seat and they come. Pota. All the Kika they are not ready to stop. If you don't put chain, get chain. Udele. Udele make it na wouldn't nabu dela. Make it na wezi. No one get ruyando. I'm the shanga capture suya. Oh, but the son, I'd say volam video give for feature tomorrow. Because your page is monetized. Hold on. Let me go. Kasi ina ni ihe. Ina asho usu Ishi, sorry, Ishi anaghị anụ ihe na-esi ala n'ime ala ili. Ị ga-anụ ihe by force. Ị ga-ekpete. A ga-apị ya mkpụrụ amụ gị. Ị ga-ekpete. Hold on. Idiots. A man enweghị direction, enweghị focus. Don't worry, we redirect you. Look at video, yeah. Listen to this useless thing. Advice to our brother. Imagine they don't even need mother advice. The reason why they play the drill like this is to avoid intellectual property. Nobody have ever reported your page. You a thief. And they got proof we back on report to your page. If you don't bring that proof, Amado Hamabuogi. Where I could reported your page. You see how they destroy people's name because I could tampered on Ken. People are here, happens your page in them madaka. Maria Shabiko, happens your page in Haka. Just arrest them, deal with them. If he did not bring where I come, reported your page, you will face the wrath. This is how you guys destroy people's name. No, if you do that, I did not tamper your page. So I have to play it like this. Avoid it. No, she like him, son of a nobody. From this life, no matter what Happy God did this guy in Germany. Happy God did this guy in Germany. When he's ready to come back, he will face his own. That's why I don't talk about him. That's my case here. 80 dogo ya no bo. Born through Nigeria. Yana he bere ya. He will tell a video the guy email instead of you to do your own. He will tell a video the guy email na be present here. Na le somebody could keep uzi. Why don't you leave somebody else's video alone and narrate your own story? The same thing email na nka gozie comedy. Iureba gozie comedy bara ebuko biwo ge were present ya ka ashikwa na owu nda kwuru before ge kuwe ko we na narrate ihe ha kwuru I nwere chaff brain. Your brain works so little IQ because of somebody else's video. This is okay. Ke advice as who? In general, advice that you are about to face the rotten hair. Why don't you leave this guy? Nona Germany decided to now partake or not partake. Happy, he will face his own. In Nigeria, joining on Germany now compare unwegi. When I'm just your brain in common sense. Teba present to you, guys. Then on young Purgane, your days are numbered, Makachi. Your days are really numbered. Tag on here. Enough of telling him something secret. You go? I think about me. Video this idiot to me. Actually, I'm gonna the guy idiot to me video. Now I'm gonna play the video now. Okay, no ya. So what maybe that let me continue. Before I talk anything, before we go anything, when I watch this video first, okay, it's a bit of advice to our brother. Imagine, only your brother. Who is your brother? Who the fuck is your brother? Only your brother, okay? Who the heck is your brother? Who is your brother? Oh, you want to say one nigga okay? Aku is never your brother and he will never be your brother. You are a very stupid human being. Aku can never be your brother. He is not your brother. And what plan nego? You were a devil to Aku. Somebody for a business muddy pain. No poison can any madam. No a kidney problem. Gishna Kopo. Honor you to brother. Ashema Amado ha Kopagia. It's your brother. You are an enemy, and I will treat you as one. You a monster.
They play the drill like this. To avoid intellectual property because all report on my page before.
He get proof. About report on your page. I could take note. Point all I'm making. Yeah, write it down. If you don't prove it, Amado Hane Ligwega Babugi. He get proof where I could reported your video. Because he want Madam Pa need to get them mother. I didn't easy no. Because you guys can do anything to fetch for shit. Little money.
So I have to play it like this. Avoid any reporting of it. That's
no on your shit.
From this life, no matter what they go for, no matter what they come to buy Ishi now.
Okay. No problem. My brother, you know one thing I'm gonna get ready for a war. When I need about Ako, get ready for his war. I call somebody in a sorry letter. Oh, come back go. When I tell me no, don't worry. I'm one day you go return. Another man make a go because of video. Because I'm not doing okay. Then I got pataya. You and Ako, uno got pataya. I like Renga as a person. I like you as a person, but you step at the wrong place. You stepped at the wrong place. Makachi. Advice me ge. I get many advice to leave because I quite again kontanaba. Enwere onye ama amu na original akohuru na be keza na be bishop. The person area because come on, get out. Go and ask questions. I could bush it any honey. I could know, see, I could somebody with the practice what he said. I come out work at the person now, but only who get the one day, any dog couldn't direct can be able to tell. Can woman as you know. But for now, I know go talk him. Joy a shame will be there. People are only on a rush around Shaka dance down. Joy men and no be talk. I know they tell you what's not the fake news. You go hear them. I could not send you. When you want to fight, because no where he tried to avoid a lot of things. He got to Omenala, but he choroya, he got lawyer easily. This war you're waging for you and Aku. Onye mere mana he chefu. Onye mere they forget, but onye mere no they forget. Abagi, I like you as a person. You onye kem. I know you, but ikotela problem. Kina yage mechachi ife. No ga like him. And me kwoku no. Ah, because of he onye achori iji ga worombo. This thing, you know, a bony useless, hopeless son. Because he's playing a game. He's playing a game here. Or should I am back over the video? Why must he use your own to come and narrate it? Because you know what he's doing. He's playing a fast one, but being dumb along the way. He's playing the game. It's so bad though.
I live in Bogdan, I live. Hey, shall I go with Tabu Poncho? Everyone has said that I'm holding, having a man and holding that. I was okay, I'm up and on. Eh? The man, anyway, I was there, no one way, get out of no smoke. Also, no. I want to give you advice. Advice in Gabba, watch out in this video. On a happy Saturday. Watch out in the video. I'm coming back. I am not backing down. It's like unless you come
Akubu, my brother, snow brother from the same state.
You a bastard. You a bastard. Aku can never be your brother. Aku don't know you. You a racist bitch. You are the one that started the war between Anambra State and the Boni people. You are the most hopeless being I have ever seen. It was somebody that bring disunity among Igbos. Aku is not a brother. Aku is an Igbo man. It doesn't matter whether more Boni, more South Africa, more Benin. Sorry, more Enugu, more Igbo, more Anambra, more Imo State. Aku just an Igbo man. If you, nothing like a brother from a Boni. Doesn't that one you're talking rubbish? It's not your brother. He can never be. You were a demon. If a Benin man will make Aku a brother, Aku will choose him before you. If an Hausa man will embrace Aku as a brother, if an Hausa man will not come out and say that Aku your Zolo bitters with a kidney problem, no Hejebu kidney, Aku will choose that person 1 million than you. You are a demon. You are a Kwensu. You can never be a brother. You are a monster. You are a devourer, and that's why I want him to treat you as one. You are a parasite crawling under someone's skin, sucking their blood. That's who you are. Whether you share Bodio, you shall Pakeleke, you shall Wero. Who call me a brother is who I will call a brother, and who call me a sister is who I will embrace as one. It doesn't matter where you come from. You are just the only evil brother, so-called yourself. Business one according to you. No a kidney problem, and you still have the temerity to call your brother. You are Amusu. Amusu a born useless son. That is who you are. You are a demon. Oh, you're not a brother. You are enemy of progress. You are Kwensu. You are a demon. That's who you are. You still have the temerity to call a brother. Well, you know, now campaign, you know, nobody should buy Zolo bitters. No kidney problem. Iga bidona. Iga go away chede nanga very soon. Makachi huna gini amo was machine save bemugi you are about to get it hot. Woto gige nwete very soon ndala look at an idiot to get in your advice on to kiji wuru onye on to konye jiri mu oge onye wunna gi wona last name onye wunna gi isokwa ndene nya advice keji shapa epena nde baru ruku oku geku oku useless bleaching cream man.
Ndi Igbo is not one who's in a social.
Imagine.
I'm going to video before.
Imagine.
Because of they reported my page for intellectual property.
Emotion.
Take all the videos down.
Emotion.
After my video, one yaba click me to advise you and say, "Senior brother, I'm a brother to you."
Get my dad one yaba click need to go and work on herself. She lack everything a woman need in her life. She's nobody. She cannot advise that. When you pick like a dirty apakeleke woman. Who is the one apakeleke? When apakeleke suffer about where he be, I will pick a matter and advice. Who is the one apakeleke? I will come into the cook dead beans and a cook. Who is the one apakeleke the kage? Only one apakeleke. Because Facebook could everybody right to come and talk. That thing they come on to ban inside on my apakeleke. I'm not query. Well, I don't blame on Facebook. When apakeleke I couldn't talk. I question me Maggie. Joakwa azu oshoru
her. The banner comment section is from the Zion, and then I party the woman 9 years old. Just a piece of advice.
Who are you to advise? Sit down to advise herself. Don't you know that Wanya Bakaleke needed 1 million advice herself before she will open mouth to advise Ako? Wanya Bakaleke needed to keep mirror. Now one after another from head to toe. Nature way advice and come out to advise another person. Or maybe way advice as a human being before advising Ako. And desire can happen. Zion will allow you guys to devour them because you know Wunda Bakaleke Kogan. Ndala. Bunch of losers. So she cannot look for cool number only be on social media na advice. As a Maya as auntie as onye. As a Maya as auntie as relative ya as onye if I may ask ona. Nda advisor. Nda solve be their 1 billion problem hanging in their entire generation. Or in their own personal life alone. Remember somebody advice. Because Facebook will decide they put on her. Anyway, go. That advisor. See them. When people open mouth, I will advise you, man, lady. Can't you sit yourself down and give yourself that advice before advising anybody? When you need the advice in your when you get billion times advice. That advisor. Stinking daughter and son of bitches everywhere.
Yes, my sister did well. The banner page this guy and never TV. Under the comment section, you see something. Upon now, video and now, I comment today the 500. 48, 400, 480. On the Aquari Zion. 20 billion on the Zion. It's no good for your brands. I'm your brother.
You can never be his brother. Why are you worried about Ako brand? The same brand you put on a kidney. Why are you worried about Ako brand? Let me advise all of you. Unumera Ako the popular now. Now you na make Ako popular. And no matter how you guys tried, you will end up in Nenga. It got prove Ako business a kidney problem. You're not working what about to happen to your head, asshole. You are damaging your career. Your own got it too hot. You are damaging your life. As I'm talking to you, your life will get end very soon. Your career, your life. Because when you're no longer coming on social media, people will pass you and go to someone else. As you guys are trying so hard to bring him to the timeline, nobody is paying attention to that crap. Kenny ga kagema. Kenny ga kage. Palace of Foods ga kagema. Go and write it one place. You don't want to hear anything because I'm a chef like a shanyon back in the days. I'm gonna get today. Go and write it down. Nana. That the people are listening to you. Ashi okukwa were amahu maybe because people now they don't know whether you are there or not. I get chefugi very soon. I'm one mood they are relevant. Because so that useless Chile confused, that useless idiot out from London came with no that useless one. But I not true nation. You know they tell you the truth. Oh, him and that Udele cannot see this daylight until the day get sentenced here. Believe it on your own prayer. Whatever they are saying, or you believe me. Okay, making a yoga baggy kurusa. Now baggy tinkle like to start. Give me a child like this. I can't start. A cake in a room. Nothing but the truth. Udele is in good spirit. Udele is not broken. Udele is finished. Take it, believe it, or don't. Mark today, Bonnie, useless, hopeless son. You are the worst in your own. You are from a very wretched and poorest family. Kage megate. What do you get to take? Iwe last name. Nobody knows you. Okay, she wear a picture princess. I had to call princess. Princess and woman, she may be one. That's in it to be carried because princess within there and I don't know. Just listen. I like it, the big man is out of Chohoka. Each and again a baby okoko. Baby oko, nan make okoro. Each and again a baby okoko. Eh? You wish us baby okoko, baby oko. There is a problem. I told the cowboy. Baby okuna, I am not one phone. I blocked him entirely. I like the worker that cannot stand to be a man. And my block straight up. And I like no, I don't know nonsense. You're wasting your life. Even at the point, baby will call you, remove picture from here. On your mouth from very well. Watch and see. Make we listen to your stupidity.
You may not like me because I'm saying the truth.
Eh?
I am your brother.
Oh, you're saying the truth. I got mommy in a joke when time comes. Stop talking. Aku can never be your brother. You are a devil. A brother on the outside that when they do can erect the problem. You are a brother. You are the greatest enemy Akuwene in this existence. Okiwa with the greatest devil Akuna. And I will not give. He has to do whatever it takes to protect himself. Ebino! It would be the most dangerous among everything. Now, you want it, the hate in you is bigger than anything I have ever seen. You are the biggest problem, Akuwene. And I got solve a problem. You a demon. I hear you. Enemies of progress. You what brother. That's Iri Ji Papa Genima Pampura Moge. In a bend the brotherhood and sisterhood na chahu. I go again with business to do with. Ona towa na zolo bitas ga ruebo ru na. Ona towa hanya. Don't worry. Now you go find zolo bitas come. I'm in the day dinaka. After 1 year, zolo bitas will go. Let's see. I have fun. Apamana kane buliana adana so ya so ako. Even ako product as I'm talking to you self. Akwana he meche na so ya. Ana aryo. Look at him in a party bishop. Onyola dream my tea. That cameraman needs to be slapped. Video the important to watch video. I should phone him and phone him. I am them some idiots. You may go like for the bishop. Baby get the main video. The video I caught to idiots are very rubbish. No wonder. I on the same level. Our pastor in the same pattern EJ preach holy Bible. Do me jene menke a different way. Ebgobi ne menke a different way. Pastor Suleiman ne menke a different way. Master could behave like every other person. All these people in Shiga here. Master could behave like them. He won't need any advice. He don't make advice upon way. Ipanuru is not your fellow man. Ipanuru any advice. Onye wouldn't make it. Onye wouldn't. A shiben making a pen negate pole. Gini ki towere jije mwiche nyako advice. Kegina poor man or jenye picky man advice. Oh, you pay ampo. Poor man like you church rat. I'm looking at poverty and you will die in poverty soon. Oh, jenye picky man advice. Kegina gene ya patagisi. Ako one negi you came and destroy business one negi. Working so hard to build. Do you know how long? Do you know how much it takes to make Managa woman one of the best? Go and test. Go and try it. No be talk. Damusu. enemies of progress, witches and wizards everywhere. Another radical Christianity, however you guys want it. Fire to fire. What I got match you know. As soon as you need 1 animals. What you know?
You may not tell the truth because you are giving him money.
Look at.
So will not tell the truth because
Look at. I should go. They don't want to call this guy name. Hold on.
You are giving him money. May not tell the truth because you are giving him money. Ndi Igbo will not tell the truth. Ndi Igbo their village. Will not tell the truth because you are giving him money. Skibo will not tell the truth because his pocket is smiling. Ogechi Njaka will not tell the truth because page 1.something million followers. For him 10,000 views. Even page.
Any views. I don't need it. I won't make an actual go. Whether I want commentary or 2 commentary, it doesn't matter. I will not tell you the truth because why is that your business? Whether more 1, 2, 3 people commentary, more 7, more 3. Go like you a hungry bastard. Don't worry. You have a problem. Page go on social media before you. I'm the problem. And dog are pushing. It's just a matter of I'm the problem. Can't have a problem. Don't worry about yourself. Because they will put anything in wonder you cannot produce anything. Whether my page more than 2, we got 220 views, more we got 20 views. I am not here looking for money. I am still more relevant than you. I am still more popular than 1 million views. I am still more worthy than you. I'm the problem. Don't worry about me. I'm not in a haste. Can't have the problem. Whether my views or views, I won't not you go. You a hungry bastard. You a hungry fool. That is why you will end up wasting it on social media, and you will end up wasting it in a case. I can make navigate a problem. I'm able to hear Ishi. You a bonny song. Any you know, only gave you 1 million views or 3. It's none of my business. Jimmy and I go. I met your people, my former Okalesia. It can't what the camera. Come on a damn for almost 3 years. People see you until the problem had due over. Or quite chably. Okay, making Nanya. And a web naga. Now, yeah, day. I give up with a video she have from my markets. You are nobody. Whether 2 people view me, even that 2 people view them, 1 million and watch it again. It can have on social media. And I can make sure happen, okay? I got happen, okay? Useless. Okay? I know I'm my problem na my pages. And I don't give a fuck because I'm not gonna happen. So you cannot tell me Ogechi cannot tell you the truth because I'm surprised that he say he's not giving me money. But at least you know the because you were hungry touts. No, monetary views. That is why Unujiti useless. That is why Unujiti very hopeless. Because any who views una get and when I be go here. And when any of my page that I apply for, some of them are there to set up, but I don't want it. When MGA your MG be Facebook, I will MG be Facebook. Only with different aims. Okay? Page mama me here problem here. Of course. I know I'm social media before you. I've been there, I've done that more than you. Okay? So you know na ko eri. Ekun ko eri ke na ko eri and they got no time. And the one animal, this problem. Go to a lot of pages, say 1.3, 1.2. They are having the same issues. Akutagena your end again with the problem. Release yegi. Go to there was this page I made, I think 1.5. I was scrolling down. Sure, the same problem face. It's a normal thing on Facebook. He made that. You are new in this blue app. And where him? Oh, no, after views. A shana prune views who they pay. I'm trying to put on a bag. I know what it is. And when I'm time. And when I'm time. Uno children I watch, but you can see it got but the problem it go come out. I know I'm here before you. Buy a good social media before you. And when him brain get it too small. And very soon, if you got to watch again, Makachi, go and write it down. How far Udele page? Who is there watching Udele? Very agbaran tegiga dike eba nwran ebe nde mmadu nwran. Go and mark it. Even it no go to admin no go do shaken because you are there. Admin will be building his own. Because he was useless son. Make with that. Oh, you reason again. Ita kutana job. Ita kala job na fufo.
Igbo, tell me something thousand Kadiama. But Ogechi Njaka just start maybe the page here.
Okay.
She knows what she's doing.
Oh, even about Saramu. You know it's none of my business. Even about Saramu, I don't give a fuck. I can decide to mind my business. About content, I want content in the women. And when you hate on our home, so in a level, you are fucking your life up. Mwah, self-made person like me. In a level, you are a fool. I just want to know where you can happy injury. When I'm there, Facebook be beating when I can't mind your business and naturally agary. You a pauper, but I got me Meggy gay face the test of time. And I'm a chef for that. Ogechi no they forget that. You are right. Obasamo. But you are I go for it. Aku is a brother, a man that I will always stand by. Ebuka Obi is a spiritual director, a father that I will always stand to defend it no matter what. Because I'm not the guy, the pure. I'm not the guy, the pure. Oya wo ndenka ma kola mono. Amampam jeme wumeme. Unu did dent with the filtered lifestyle. No bi ona na wetere Ebuka Obi ono. And when a kunu half, when it come to somebody the descent, we never jana boy a baby virgin. No problem. However he is, we love him. Because he's all declared than whiter than snow. With full chase. You are right. Well, I could share it today. Give them a report on my page. I go down. I start another one. Because you know, Johnny, I can't know be fair. I will hold it. I want him different mission. I want mission him that where I will be passing voice. Even gonna voice even gonna my voice. That's all I need. Abramezu you no nazo. Abramezu you no nazo. You're right. Obasaromo. We will refuse. It's not my back. It will come. I know what is going on. And you are not in any position for me to explain it to you because you are nobody. Shake it. And the shake I get 3 to get a shin. On a bed of flush. That is where they will. It's back again. Come on, happy in a case, guy. On la chieji. Came bomb me was just some that I am boy out or another person. Okay, again now. Idiot, hopeless thing. Here they go.
Am I saying? I keep my video in Merina. Video now have fished you, then bring you down.
In Ania.
What businessman I said?
In Ania. In Ania. Trouble I choganaka come. See this trouble you're looking for. My brother, Ogechi Okeke. You go swallow where. Una this is so we na cho. A boni lost song. Iga chota very, very well. See this wahala. He go get He get put on a man. Upon some way na cho. He get with it.
Who are produced Romania? Do you expect everybody to love you? People must not love you. Everybody will not love you. I remember 2012, 2022.
And you had the God to tell Ako how to express his anger. He won you. And he thought you had the audacity, the right to come and tell him how to express his anger. Kiji wuronye. Okenegi jirebambi, okenagi jirebambi. Teginigi on what level kiji abia ibako? How Aku will express his anger because he's not a human being? People like you to tell him how to express how he feels. Why are you on his case? Why are you advising the same personation kidney? I am not joking. Who invited you in his life? Onye jorugi? Keye basarage basako. Why can't you mind your business? Why can't you focus on your problem and go and solve your misery problem? Very hopeless thing. He got prove how Aku is giving all these people money. He got prove how Aku is giving Skibo, giving J Park, giving this person. Because because of people decided to support their own brother. People decided to support their own brother, what their brother is doing. Or told him a devil like you that bringing him down. Because you are used to Ezobi. One day you are used to them giving you money. Every other person that collects ego. You're used to Ezobi giving you money. You're used to all these DBS giving you money. That is why you think like Aku is giving everybody money to support him, to patronize his drink. Oh, you're big bagage. Because you're hopeless. You were a very useless human being. When you that you get worse as nothing, and nobody will remember you. Again, or coco. Who told you that I one nigga? And when I blood relative. Come on, one nigga, I was Gamino to a booking one name. Because I can never be your brother. Lie. I got war again. Makachi. You will remember one near. Anyway, no need of playing all your videos. You're not the reason why I'm here. Or come touch to little basis. You are not somebody should call a friend. Anything. I'm Usukewo. I'm Konkoha IB. Jibiane defend the committee your atrocity. That useless uncle stupid IB. And I'm not better defend again. Oga who get correct again. That soon. He will not see you and correct you. Oh, we may ya puta. Dikonye will rely on see who everywhere. Oga who tell you to stay away from sharp objects. Not the very harmful. Ndala. Amusu.